So today we're going to show you exactly where to pinpoint levels of control ready for a price to break out. First, we need to identify the highest RVol days, relative volume, at least 1.5 of average volume. So you can see on the chart right now, we've identified a key area where relative volume is more than 1.5 its average volume. We're going to shorten it down to the dailies, and then we're going to really shorten it down to the 30-minute time frame. We're going to find that exact point at which that volume kicked in. We're then going to confirm the exact point by placing a horizontal line and we're going to name this developing point of control. Now, what we want to do, we want to see if it correlates with any other high volume on that day and retests. And as you can clearly see, on the same day or maybe the day after, it came back to test that area, and again, very high volume kicked in. So the RVol again over 1.5 at the exact same point. So that is your confirmation point of control area. That is pinpointing exactly where you are going to see either the highest chance of support or the highest chance of resistance, depending on which way you're going. And the idea behind it is, if you get a squeeze at this point with the volume weighted average price and a moving average, then it's very likely that the breakout will happen. So on that point, we've identified another point of control, potentially this time for the scalp for you guys. It's a resistance zone. Exactly the same process again. We're going to identify the high volume areas on the day, the daily candle, or the weekly first, I should say. Identify the weekly, shorten it down to the daily, then go down to the 30 minutes and find that exact point. So as you can clearly see now, we're doing the same thing again. We're finding what date it was. We've identified it. And this is what we expect to happen in this area in relation to price action candles. Always reference the average volume, and always reference the actual float. The lower the float, the more aggressive the move.